step 5 of the Quant unknowns analysis workflow. And that involves promoting non-target hits to tentatively identified compounds. And tentatively identified compounds would be those contaminants that you would consider cause a problem, those compounds that deserve further investigation, for example, with an interactive discovery tool like Quant. Now, there's a number of ways to make that judgment. And I'll take as an example the analogy to the EPA environmental protocols, which have the following logic. With the batch that's been done, we're going to do a series of filtering steps. We're going to filter out the targets, or ISTDs. Sounds familiar. We're going to filter these hits, which are less than an estimated concentration relative to the ISTD. And then last, we're going to chop off the beginning and the end of the chromatogram so we don't waste time with earlier, very late eluders. So using those criteria, can we apply customization and automation to the last step of this process to increase productivity? Let's see that in the demo. Here are in unknowns at a glance, looking at the non-targets. And what I'll do next is to show you that under the reporting menu, besides generating reports, we can run a query. And the query that we're going to run here is non-target hits custom. And that codifies the kinds of decisions we just discussed. So executing that query across the entire batch gives me a small list. And this list I can navigate by simply clicking on it, and it will jump directly to that sample and that compound. So for example, if I inspect these phthalates here and decide that that's okay with this sample set, then I've only got one left to worry about and make a decision on. There you have a demo of how to review unknowns analysis across a large batch in a productive manner. Thank you for your attention.